bought a house. It came with a freezer, but I didn't know that the seller turned it off and he left stuff in it. It's been off for 11 days. Ew. Okay. With the water. Bleach in there, a bunch of it, a bunch of water, and next I guess I'm gonna scrub it. I don't really know how to do this. I'm probably not supposed to be using bleach, maybe like white vinegar, distilled vinegar, but this is nasty. I'm using bleach. Oh wait, this comes out? I didn't know that came out. What? Hi, welcome to Learn With Me, the channel where I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try to do it. And then you guys can comment down below about what I did wrong. I'm gonna put this in bleach, I probably shouldn't. Last thing I'm doing is just putting more bleach in to the bottom. I never want to do this again. Who would? Who would be like, oh yeah, want to do that again. Okay, so I poured in the last of the bleach. I want to let that marinate for like 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna just wash it out with some more water and let this thing air dry for like a few days, because I'm pretty sure I got parts wet that shouldn't be wet, like well, that and some stuff back here. And now you know how to clean up a freezer. That, or you know how to clean it wrong, because I'm not sure if I did it right. But when something's real nasty, I use bleach. If it's your freezer and it was your crap that was in there, you might want to consider like distilled vinegar, or just Google it, because there's probably better methods than this. Oh, these bugs. Please go and do that elsewhere. This is not that kind of channel. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, because this channel is really exciting. Who knows what's going to be up next, but I'm a homeowner now, so it could be anything. Bye! Oh, well, let me say I'm really upset with Home Depot. Look how big this is. Do you see this? They only had extra large and extra large. So thanks, Home Depot, for providing a size for women and people of the smaller size. Because, I mean, come on. Us smaller people do projects too. At least be a little bit more inclusive. I'm feeling really left out. It's like you're telling me that women don't do projects like this, or painting. This is actually for painting, but still, so what? So what? I paint too! Sorry ladies, Home Depot only offers this outfit in Frosty the Snowman. If it doesn't all want to come out, I'm just gonna grab it over here and tip it a little.